Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're at the dyno today. So we're gonna dyno a few cars. We're not dynoing my car, and we're not dynoing Javi's car. We're gonna dyno everybody's car because I don't want to dyno my car yet because I'm still waiting on a few things to finish. So we're gonna do Pat's GT350 E85 long tube header. Last time he was here, I think he did like 440-ish, 450-ish. Basically stock in this car. So right now he's a long tube E85 car. We have a V6 E85 car right now. This is Omar's car. Car looks good. He basically has my same exhaust that I had on my V6, and car sounds good. So you'll hear it here in a little bit. Well, these two, but you know, we already know what this one does. This one doesn't really matter. That one, we'll figure it out one day. But the special one, hopefully this thing's gonna be making 600 plus, is Danny's ATS-V. I think Danny made, I don't know, what did you make last time you were here? 512. 512? So he made 512, but he has significantly turned this thing up since the last time we were here. That was maybe, I don't know, sometime, it was cold that day, so it's actually pretty cool today too. So I don't know, this thing should be 600 plus, easy. It has to be, and over 600 torque. These things are torquey like the Supras are. So, but the first car we're gonna put Gearz ST in there. So that's stock. So you're gonna put it, so it's stock, right? We're going stock because then the mods are coming and we're gonna turn it up, right? That's right. All right. Yeah. And then we're gonna turn up that one. No, that one's gonna turn up first.
Yeah, I will. I'm guessing 322.
322?
322.
I have no clue what these things do to the wheel.
They're 400 crank.
They're 400 crank? Yeah, but it's all-wheel drive, so you lose a little bit more.
A lot more, yeah.
Yeah. Should be some good runs. See what some of these cars make. But I'm excited. Yeah, because that GT350 right there, it's about to get super turned up. He's got almost everything. I think he's waiting on one more part. But yeah, that car's pretty badass. And I've driven this car a few times, and even stock form, these cars are super fun. So let's see what these cars make.
Oh shit!
It downshift to 6.
Yeah?
Yeah, it went to 6 as soon as I hammered it from 3,007. It downshifted to 6.
That's weird that it won't go into manual and just stay there.
350 on that one. That was 6 gear. 500 torque. Yeah.
What is it? What are you doing?
It went down to 6 gear and I did 350, 500, but I think the
It's probably closer to 323.
Yeah, the 223, 382.
And Pat, you called it too. 323.
322, yeah. I knew it was gonna be, yeah. That's what I said. We gotta have to look it up. I mean, that's a good baseline, at least. Now you know.
I just some downpipes for me and send it. Intercooler.
500 wheels.
This bitch will fucking move out.
It'll move, bro.
If you do that to this car, you're gonna ruin it for the rest of your life. She'll be ruined for the rest of her life. She's like, screw this, I'm never gonna drive a slow car again.
I'm already ruined.
Oh, yeah.
We got Pat on one side, Danny on the other. That's how cool this is. They have all-wheel drive dyno here, over here. Over there they got front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and they even got a bike dyno on the other side. changed it?
Damn, you close to 500 though. That's pretty damn good. You didn't leave the AC on, right? That could be your 500 right there.
I'll make sure it's off. I'll make sure it's off. Let's go.
.3, so it's not 500.
Nope. Hey, that rounds up.
That rounds up.
That rounds up. Hey, can you do one more? 99.3 rounds.
I was back there like, hit the limiter.
I said after 100 RPM. It was mid pass. It was mid pass 8250.
Really?
It was like 85.
Woo!
Oh shit!
Torque, god damn it. That's a shit ton of torque. That is a crazy amount of torque. I don't know, man. You might have like torque for 3 cars in this bitch.
Oh no.
That's a lot of fucking torque.
3 Toyota Supras maybe.
It doesn't seem right.
I don't know if it's calibrated right.
Yeah.
That seems high, very high. I don't know. That torque is extremely high. These are usually, you know, six. They're usually, you know, between 20 and 30 foot-pounds of torque above whatever horsepower it is. So, I don't know. Cleaner run too. Damn, Danny. Maybe it does make that crazy amount of torque. Still up there in torque.
Huh?
That's a lot of fucking torque, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's the kind of torque that'll fucking, you know, break shit. Ask me how I know.
I know you know.
Well, shit. 608, like 730 torque. Torque monster, dude.
That's insane.
He don't even think he's like, if that's making that for real, he's like, that's not even safe. He said that's the kind of torque that'll break some shit.
Yeah, right.
So, I don't know. He knows these cars more than I do. So,
Yeah.
damn, that's a lot, and it's consistent. 608, 607, 609, consistent every time.
I was within a horsepower too, but for boost, yeah, that's for sure. Wow.
I didn't think it made that kind of torque.
That thing fucking eats, bro.
Here's Omar's V6, E85. I think he's got BBK Shorty, basically my old exhaust setup, and I think he's tuned by Ortiz.
Got full exhaust, 4-inch manifold, and 85 rim.
Oh, he's got Porter Manny too, and he got Porter Manny. So I predict he's got 373, so that might take away the top.
Yeah, he swapped it.
Yeah. So he should make right about 300 wheel. I'm saying between 300 and 310 with that setup. I could be completely wrong, but sounds good. I hear this car, and it's a stick car like mine, and it reminds me of my car.
280, 300. 280.
280, but you made
300.
more torque.
Yeah, 280, 300. Están oliendo a ver si huele a cloche. What's that smell? El cloche. Todos los arranques. Pretty consistent. Pretty consistent. Vamos bien pegadito, vale. Allá sobre 700, había algo mal. Eso es más concurrente. 606, 674. That's on the money, yeah?
That's where it should be. Maybe it's still a little high.
Where's the strap? We're staying at Can you go over to the beach?
Alright guys, so there it is. Everybody kind of did the numbers everybody was expecting. Pat did about 500. I think the ST did about 330. Danny did about 600 in the crazy torque number, but the second one, third or fourth one, we actually swapped it to another dyno. And the torques were actually, what, 670, so that's all pretty good. I think everybody did well. I'll take this one to the dyno soon. Again, I'm just waiting on a few more things before I take it back. And I want to put it on Auto Mafia dyno just to make sure I'm using the same dyno I used for the first time. So, well, yeah, Omar did pretty good. 280, I think he did 290 the last pull. So, but 373s are going to take away some of the power. So he was kind of disappointed, but I think he understands. All right, see, now you messed me up. So, all right, see?
Remember, dyno is a tool. Don't get butthurt if the numbers are too low or too high.
Is it a tool, Howie? It is a tool. It's a tuning tool, damn it. So the real numbers are at the track, your trap speed. That tells you you're making power. So there it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And we'll see y'all later. Bye.